Okay, I just want to give you an example of how the online cloud storage services can really chew up your bandwidth. So a couple of times a year I reinstall my laptop just to keep it running smoothly and get rid of any crap that I don't use. And I did that earlier today. And I've also got LangGuardian running on my network. And I noticed from my reports that I had a huge increase of encrypted traffic on my network. Suddenly you started eating up, well, it was 93% of all activity was encrypted. Now I could throw my hands up in the air and say, well, encrypted traffic, it's encrypted, we won't find out what it is. But it's not the case with LangGuardian, so I'll show you some interesting things. Now the reason I want to investigate this, if I scroll down further here to show my internet pipe, so I'm monitoring all traffic in and out my internet connection. So at 13:03 today, something happened that my internet use went up to 50, almost 52 megabits higher actually, up to 55 megabits per second. So I'm on a 60 megabit connection here, so pretty much it maxed out my internet pipe. That's an incredible amount of data. So let's do some investigation. So if I drill down, I find here a laptop responsible, 11 gigs of data. And I can see that it's going to livefilestore.com. So basically that's the Microsoft Live Service cloud storage. So 11 gigabytes was received, so it's actually downloaded onto my laptop. And it actually got me curious because I thought to myself, well, what is that stuff? And I have the OneDrive here and it's up to date, so it's finished all its synchronizing. And when I went to review the what's been copied down, what I found was that actually I had synchronized some photographs. So some photographs I wanted to back up. Don't know how many's in it. It's over 1,000 photographs. So synchronizing that maxed out my internet connection for, didn't take too long. Let's see what the times were. So it started at approximately, let's say 13:05, and we had finished synchronizing half an hour to synchronize over 1,000 pictures. So it goes to show that, you know, if you have 10 users on your network, you got 10,000 users. All it takes is for one or two users to do something silly, maybe set up some synchronize with their cloud storage, and suddenly you will find your bandwidth usage on your network will just start to max out or start to fill up disks on your servers. So be sure you have something like LangGuardian, which is monitoring all the time. So if I didn't have LangGuardian running and I needed to install something afterwards, it's too late. The data is gone. It's no longer available. But I had this running, and now I can understand why that internet connection slowed down earlier on for me today.